Hello everyone, this is Eric with Cannabis Trader Network. Today is Wednesday, August 19th, and this is your weekly webcast. This week's webcast is brought to you by the Capsule Consulting Group and the Cannabis Branding Group. All of their information can be found immediately beneath me in our comments section. Start out with some stock news. INSY Therapeutics Incorporated has filed a citizen petition with the DEA to reschedule its synthetic pharmaceutical cannabidiol. INSY Pharmaceuticals have filed for a citizen petition with the DEA. The request to reschedule their synthetic cannabidiol from Schedule 1 to Schedule 4. Quote, they're asking the DEA to reschedule its synthetic pharmaceutical CBD as part of our continued commitment to advancing the research and development of cannabinoid therapies while striving to provide physicians and patients with consistent and controlled pharmaceutical options that can help improve the quality of life for our patients. That's from Michael Babak, the president and CEO of INSY Pharmaceuticals. Moving forward, Blue Diamond Ventures enters cannabis extraction market after executed agreement with Michigan Plant Technologies. Blue Diamond Ventures, who are on the OTC as BLDV, have entered into the cannabis extraction market following an executed agreement with Michigan Plant Technologies. In return for monthly payments, BLDV will be releasing a specific alcohol, or they're leasing, a specific alcohol cannabis extractor from Michigan Plant Technologies. The arrangement seeks to provide Blue Diamond with an 80% annual return on its investment. So keep an eye out there for continued information on how those numbers end up turning out. Moving forward, CLS Holdings names new Chief Operating Officer. On the OTCQB, they are CLSH, again, that is CLS Holdings, a diversified cannabis company, announced that it has named Alan Bonsett as the company's Chief Operating Officer, effective August 15th, 2015. Mr. Bonsett has extensive experience within the cannabis industry, spanning production and processing facility build-outs, business development, and strategic planning, licensing and compliance, and supply chain management from grower to dispensary. Most recently, he held senior roles as owner and general manager with Picture Rock and Herbal Medicine Institute, as well as Doctors Gardens. Up next, we have Cannabis Sativa Incorporated setting a record date of August 25th for shareholder dividend of 4 shares of Kush, KUSH, for every share of CBDS common stock held. Cannabis Sativa Incorporated on the OTCQB CBDS has announced that a record date of August 25th was set, where shareholders are going to be eligible to receive a dividend of 4 shares of Kush, KUSH, for every share of CBDS that they hold out of date. The date has an opportunity to be changed by the FINRA, so that's out of everybody's control, so keep your eyes open for that. But KUSH is producing a mixture that makes fast-acting herbal lozenges. So up next, Surna Reports 2015 second quarter results. For the 6 months ended June 30th, 2015, the company reported gross revenues of $2,548,845 compared to $346,559 for the same period in 2014, an increase of 635%. Revenues for the 3 months ended in June 30, 2015 were $1,677,950, up from $870,895 in the previous quarter, and more than a quadruple in the $346,559 in revenue during the same period in 2014. Moving on to industry news, Cannabis World Congress confirms Melissa Ethridge as keynote speaker at the leading marijuana business event on September 17th in Los Angeles. We're going to have a link for that in the comments descriptions. Don't forget the Marijuana Investor Summit will be hosting an investor forum as an ad on the event, the Cannabis World Congress. So tickets can be purchased at www.marijuanainvestorsummit.com. We'll also have a link for you down there. Ohioans to face legalization dilemma in November. On November 3rd, 2015, Ohioans will have the opportunity to vote for the Ohio Marijuana Legalization Initiative, which would legalize marijuana for medical and recreational purposes on August 12th. Secretary of State John Husted announced that the private investor group Responsible Ohio had collected 320,267 signatures of registered voters, 14,676 more than necessary to qualify for the general election ballot. So they're way over. But for many, the opportunity is poisoned by the way that the licenses would be awarded. The initiated constitutional amendment grants 10 marijuana growth, cultivation, and extraction licenses exclusively to donors of $2 million or more to Responsible Ohio. If approved, there will be no application process as in other states that have legalized marijuana. Those valuable commercial rights would become a matter of state constitutional law. A venerable advocacy organization like the Marijuana Policy Project are keeping a distance. As far as trades are concerned, moving forward, we've begun separating our trading alerts from our newscasts, so make sure that you subscribe at www.pot-stocks.com to get all the latest trading information from both our site directly to your inbox. Please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Please check out www.pot-stocks.com CLS.com and MGIC, the Capsule Consulting Group, and the Cannabis Branding Group. And everybody have an excellent day. Stay in the green, and we'll see you soon. Take care.